ClickUp is a popular project management tool that helps teams organize tasks, track progress, and collaborate effectively. A common question among users and potential users is whether ClickUp can be used without an internet connection. This video will explore ClickUp's offline capabilities and discuss how it impacts its usability. Understanding cloud-based applications. ClickUp is primarily a cloud-based application. This means that your data, including tasks, projects, and documents, is stored on remote servers and accessed through an internet connection. Cloud-based applications offer several advantages, such as accessibility. Access your data from any device with an internet connection. Collaboration. Multiple team members can work on the same project simultaneously. Automatic updates. The application is automatically updated with the latest features and bug fixes. However, a significant drawback of cloud-based applications is their reliance on a stable internet connection. ClickUp's offline capabilities. As of now, ClickUp has limited offline capabilities. While ClickUp is primarily designed to work with an active internet connection, there are some aspects and workarounds to consider. Mobile app. ClickUp's mobile app offers some limited offline functionality. You can view previously loaded tasks and information, and in some cases, make changes. However, these changes will not sync until an internet connection is restored. Saving views. In the ClickUp mobile app, you can save certain views for offline access. This allows you to see your tasks and project information even when you are not connected to the internet. No full offline functionality. ClickUp does not offer a comprehensive offline mode for its web or desktop applications. This means that you cannot create new tasks, update existing ones, or access all of ClickUp's features without an internet connection. Limitations of offline access. The limited offline functionality in ClickUp can pose challenges in situations where internet connectivity is unreliable or unavailable. These situations include traveling. When traveling, you may encounter areas with poor or no internet access, making it difficult to use ClickUp effectively. Remote work in areas with poor connectivity. If you work remotely in an area with unreliable internet, your productivity may be hindered by the inability to access ClickUp. Internet outages. During internet outages, you will be unable to use ClickUp to manage your tasks and projects. Workarounds and alternatives. While ClickUp's offline capabilities are limited, there are some workarounds and alternative approaches you can consider. Use the mobile app for essential tasks. For critical updates or to check information, you can use ClickUp's mobile app to view previously loaded data and make quick changes. Prepare for offline work. If you anticipate being without internet access, plan your work in advance. Ensure all necessary information and tasks are downloaded and accessible on your device before going offline. Use other tools for offline work. For extensive offline work, consider using other tools that offer robust offline capabilities, such as local note-taking apps. Apps like Evernote or OneNote allow you to create and edit notes offline, which you can later transfer to ClickUp when you regain internet access. Spreadsheet software. You can use spreadsheet software like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel to manage tasks and data offline, and then import the information into ClickUp later. Dedicated offline project management tools. Some project management tools are specifically designed to work offline. Consider exploring these options if offline functionality is a critical requirement for your workflow. Hybrid approach. Combine ClickUp with other tools for a more flexible approach. Use ClickUp for primary project management when online and supplement it with offline tools for situations where internet access is limited. The future of offline functionality in ClickUp. As ClickUp continues to evolve, it's possible that the platform's offline capabilities will improve. The demand for offline access is growing, and many software developers are working to enhance the offline functionality of their applications. Keep an eye on ClickUp's updates and feature releases for potential improvements in this area. ClickUp's limited offline capabilities. Currently, ClickUp offers limited offline functionality. While the mobile app allows you to view previously loaded data and make some changes, full offline access is not available for the web or desktop applications.